warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
This time we will make a practical test about going on vacation. Let's watch the video. Guys, how about going on holiday next Saturday?
Holiday, that is a good idea. Where are we going?
How about go to the beach?
Beach do you want to go to? How about just going to fun and fancy Danyo Angry?
Yes, I agree.
What equipment will we bring later?
Oh yes, we have to bring a map. What if Rafa brings it?
I'm okay. How about we also bring food from home?
Oh,
How about ordering donuts? Yes, we all order later for the trip. I was with Saidil, Caca, and Rafa.
okay, let's go to class.
Let's go.